Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Experts project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $768 mark, or so they generally thought. The in every practical sense, normal extended cost for Velo in 2030 is supposed to essentially be $0.782, with for the most part likely change somewhere in the range of $0.761 and thinking. The negative cost expectation for Velo in 2040 truly is $0.35, with a sort of likely especially high of $1,042, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Long-haul examination recommends that Velo cost might actually flood to $1,047 by 2050, with a for the most part possible reach somewhere in the range of $1,045 and $1,053 in a really significant manner. As of the most recent update, Velo especially is exchanging at around $1,063 in a kind of significant manner. Starting around Z4 Walk 2024, Velo is exchanging at $0.63 in term of its OS rate, with the value change of zone 47% in most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very huge. Velo sort of has a sort of complete market cap of $46,392,613 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1398,984, which basically is very huge. This, for the most part, makes Velo especially positioning at 643 in the digital currency market in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo generally be worth in 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical. Is Velo an excellent venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in an exceptionally large manner? Will Velo value sort of outperform its untouched certainly high in an unpretentious manner? These in every way that really matters are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Velo cost in a real sense is supposed to really cross a sort of normal value level of $0.7. The normal essentially least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to by and large be $0.85, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Velo can arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.0, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation walk 2024. Velo cost basically is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.62 to $0.69 in walk 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Velo for the walk really remains around $0.68 Velo value gauge April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Velo sort of is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.68, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.72 with the especially normal cost around $0.7, showing that Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Velo cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $0.7. The normal, all things considered, least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0.5 amazingly. Velo value figure May 2024. The Velo estimate for May 2024 expects that the Velo may truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.76 with a kind of least cost of around $0.69 in a by and large significant manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value Velo can stretch around $0.72 for May, so will Velo cost generally outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is very critical. Velo value expectation June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Velo cost really is conjecture to arrive at a scarcely the most minimal cost of $0.71 in a quite huge manner. The Velo cost could arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.9 with the especially normal expected cost around $0.74 in a kind of significant manner. Velo value estimate July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Velo basically is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a really normal cost of $0.77, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $2 and a truly least of $0.74 in a sort of huge manner. Velo value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Velo fundamentally is explicitly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.78, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.85 and a sort of least of $0.76, which essentially is genuinely critical. Velo value figure September 2024. The Velo gauge for September 2024 expects that the Velo may sort of arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.88 with an especially least cost of around $0.77, or so they for the most part thought. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Velo can in every way that really matters stretch around $netters for September, which for the most part is very critical. Velo value gauge October 2024. The especially normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.82 toward the finish of October 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. Velo could really be exchanging around for the most part greatest worth of $0.92 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.10, or so they sort of thought. Velo value conjecture November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Velo sort of is supposed to arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.82, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo cost could generally arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.96 with a very normal cost around $0.86 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Velo explicitly is supposed to by and large be at around at least $0.85, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $ounces with the kind of typical cost of $0.87 in USD, which by and large shows that starting around 04 walk 2024 Velo in a real sense is exchanging at $0.63 in term of its USD rate with a value change of 47% in very most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost especially has shown an excellent increment of 435% in the especially most recent 24 hours, showing the way that the Velo cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.79 with a sort of typical expected cost around $0.74 in an in every practical sense enormous way. From especially most recent 7 days, the Velo fundamentally was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 28.7%. So besides Velo can fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme value level of dollars and days in an exceptionally large manner. Velo for the most part has shown